the first tool that I want to showcase is keywordtool.io. Okay, that is like super important. Okay, now as you can see, the keywordtool.io has loaded. I just want to show you, zoom it in a bit. Right now we are gonna research the keyword for the Google platform. Why? Because we want to create content for Google search engine specifically, and then make sure that the keyword research eventually helps us to rank our content on the top on those specific keywords. See, what we are trying to do here, we are trying to find the demand that people are typing the keywords on the search engine, so that we can supply on those demand by our content with the well researched keywords and well optimized content. Okay, so far you would have understood in the previous sessions how important a keyword is, how the on-page SEO works, and now we are going to understand a lot about the keyword research practically. And I really hope that you would have been waiting for this session a lot. Now, of course, I'm going to go for Google, but let me share all the tools. So we have Google Keyword Planner Research, and read this tool, what this tool will give us. It's autocomplete thing that is gonna help us to fetch. If I go to YouTube, it's gonna give me YouTube autocomplete. Same goes with Bing. All I need to do is type the keywords, select the country, select the language, and click on search button. That's it. Amazon, eBay, App Store, Play Store, Instagram to find hashtags. Let me give you a small tip. You're going to be very happy to see that you can, explore a lot of hashtags here. Check it out. You like it, right? So we can also research for Twitter, hashtags, of course, Pinterest, and Google Trends. Now, I will recommend this tool for these platforms: Google, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter. These 4 platforms are top notch, and of course, Bing if it is in your portfolio. Now, before even we start the keyword research, the number 1 step that you need to do is go to your Google Chrome and type sheets.new, or basically just create a good new fresh Excel sheet, that is Google spreadsheet. You can also do this by going to your drive and clicking on new. Okay, now name it as keyword database, and I'll name it as ASEC sample. Cool. The first keyword that I will be using is, of course, I'm going to showcase you only one keyword. You need to practice more than 10 keywords to get hands-on experience and learn from it. I'm going to use 4-wheeler insurance for now. Okay. So guys, make sure the step number 1 is noted. That is, create a spreadsheet, enter one of the topic that you want to explore the keywords around. Okay. Now, I'm going to write that keyword here and copy it. Come back to another tool, that is keywordtool.io. Type the keyword or paste it. Select the country and language and simply click on search. So what's happening here? I just got 349 beautiful keywords. Now, of course, you can see here that it is logged. The data is logged. I don't need data right now, buddy. All I need is select this particular checkbox that will help me select all 349 keywords. Do you see this purple icon at the bottom? The last purple icon at the bottom. Click on it. It will give you a lot of options like add to keyword basket, export to Excel, export to CSV, and simply copy. And of course, we are smart because we have been taught to copy paste since childhood, right? So I'm gonna paste it here right away. Now you see I just got 350 keywords right away.